am Evelyn Granizo, Technical Manager at Automations Solutions Ecuador. With almost 2 decades at the helm of the industry, Automations Solutions Ecuador stands at the forefront of control system integration in Ecuador and Latin America, implementing control system with the best technology and human resources. Collaborating closely with Uddeholm, we embarked on a transformative journey to develop their heat treatment control room. Uddeholm, a distinguished company, commands the global steel tool manufacturing arena with over 350 years of innovation across more than 90 countries. Recognizing their commitment to sustainable development and resource efficiency, we established a partnership to enhance their manufacturing processes. Our joint venture led to the creation of the groundbreaking heat treatment control room project. Anchored in Hagfors, Sweden, this venture sought to centralize the monitoring and control of the plant's various furnaces. Aiming to boost productivity, optimize performance, and ensure long-term growth through reduced energy consumption and maintenance, we harnessed Ignition's powerful capabilities deploying a scale-out architecture. Addressing Uddeholm's challenge of isolated control rooms and disparate manufacturing processes, we adopted a holistic solution. Implementing Ignition across 30 projects and 20 databases connection, we laid the foundation for cohesive control environment. The introduction of heat treatment system marked a pivotal step, leveraging best practices and harnessing Ignition prowess to maximize efficiency. Uddeholm's new heat treatment setup introduced 2 workstations with 5 monitors each, facilitating a streamlined operation for teams across shifts. By integrating Perspective Workstation, we unlocked the potential of multi-monitor functionality, with 3 monitors devoted to Ignition process screens providing both overviews and detailed furnace information. 2 additional monitors showcased MES programs and real-time furnace video through Ignition interaction with XProtect video software via OPC UA. This cutting-edge system oversees over 40 furnaces, each using UDTs to manage diverse furnace types, creating a unified framework adaptable to dynamic views. Collaboration was key through our journey. Uddeholm and Automations Solutions Ecuador joined forces, utilizing Ignition collaborative development feature and dock-based Linux container system. This innovative approach enabled concurrent development, fostering efficiency and streamlined integration. The DevOps methodology was the cornerstone of our implementation strategy, facilitated by GitLab source control. This approach ensured real-time progress tracking, efficient issue management, and seamless deployment, ultimately saving time and mitigating errors. While spanning different time zones presenting challenges, GitLab emerged as the linchpin for effective collaboration, maintaining traceability and control over every task state. This collaboration enriched both teams' knowledge and greatly exceeded project expectations. Crucial to the project's success was Álvaro Córdoba from Uddeholm, whose profound knowledge of Ignition and the process, UI/UX design skill, and tech acumen proved invaluable. The impact of heat treatment project on Uddeholm operation was significant. The centralized control room streamlined operation, optimized energy utilization, and provided a standardized approach to furnace management. Demonstrating capabilities of the system through monitor and control, we showcased the seamless interface ranging from furnace overview to temperature control and real-time video integration. In conclusion, the heat treatment project not only brought Uddeholm operators together, but also optimized resource utilization, reduced physical space, centralized data, and enhanced traceability. Further enhancement including Nord Pool API integration for energy management, Kafka-based third-party data gathering, and GPT-based trend analysis reinforced the project's enduring value. Automations Solutions Ecuador and Uddeholm collaboration has not only transformed the heat treatment control room, but also laid a foundation for continued innovation and operational excellence.